Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to take a group ticket on Flair Airlines. Here are the steps to book a group ticket on Flair Airlines. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. On the home page, head over to the top menu and click on Travel Info and just write all the travel info. You're going to find special services and one of them is group travel. Click on Group Travel and that takes you here. So you find the more information that's to learn about the process and requirements. So benefits of group travel: if you're traveling with a group over 10 people, you're eligible for the benefits of booking as a group. So note, a group booking fee of $5 per passenger will be applied. Now this is benefit of group travel: discounted fares, flexible payments, ability to make changes prior to final payment, and dedicated group travel specialists to assist with any travel questions. Now go ahead and click on Submit a Request Now button, which is here. So how can we help you today? That is what you have here. So you have a form, and that is accessibility request, report technical issue, or general inquiry. So let's say general inquiry, and add your first name, that's your email address, your first name, your last name, your email address, booking reference code, then request summary and additional information. So over here where you have the additional information, let them know that you want to place a booking for a group of 10. Make it detailed, make it very detailed, and add attachments if necessary. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Submit. So I'm going back to that. How can we help you again today? I want to, instead of general inquiry, so it's just going to be easier if you click on I want to request a quote for group travel. So once you click on that, then you will now be able to fill out this more specified form. So your email address and then reason for group booking or reason for request, then enter your first name and last name, and first name, then last name, and adults. So adults and children, or children and a less than 2 years. So just go ahead and add the number of adults that are following you. This would be 10 or even less. So if you're going with children, just go ahead and apply that. Then departure airport, arrival airport, just fill out all of these details. Are your dates flexible? Additional baggage, then request summary and additional information, and click on Submit. Now once you click on Submit to send your group booking inquiry to Flair Airlines, you should receive a confirmation email indicating that your request has been received. All right, so a Flair Airlines representative will contact you to discuss the details of your group booking. They will provide you with a quote, available flights, and any necessary instructions for completing the booking. Once you receive the quote and details, confirm your acceptance of the offer with Flair Airlines. Then follow their instructions to finalize the booking, which may involve making a deposit of full payment and providing passenger information for each member of the group. Now, after completing the payment and providing all necessary information, you'll receive a confirmation email with your group booking details. Ensure that all names and details are correct in the confirmation. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.